Episode 68, A Tale of Toys. You could call Raman some kind of an expert on toys. After working for 20 years in various toy shops of the city, Raman knew the world of toys inside out. He had understood how, with every changing year, the likes, dislikes, and preferences for toys by children in all age groups changed. Dolls, trains, musical toys, chewable toys, word games, puzzles, cars, all of them kept on changing in colors, designs, make, packaging, appearance, and a host of other things. Raman's expert eyes could discern what toys the kid wanted and which ones the parents could afford. He would always offer something in the middle range which would satisfy both the parties. Today was a special day. One of the leading toy manufacturers, Khilona, had sent their representative Manoj Mishra to meet Raman. They wanted to know what kind of toys were being preferred by children these days and how they could improve the make of such toys. They wanted Raman to offer suggestions and even help in the designing of the toys. Khilona offered Raman a very decent amount. He was, after all, the star salesman of the biggest toy shop of the country. Though Raman was now the manager, yet he loved to be on the floors selling little packets of joy and happiness to his cute customers. Remote operated cars were an all-time favorite with children. Even young teenagers preferred them. But in the cars manufactured by Khilona, there were a few design problems. Raman picked up a remote car of Khilona from the shelf and pointed out the flaw to Manoj. In the remote of these cars, for changing batteries, 4 screws had to be unscrewed, which made the entire process very cumbersome. Hence, Raman suggested that they should introduce an adjustable flap, like in the TV or AC remotes, which would make it easy for parents to change batteries. Manoj immediately noted the suggestion. 2 weeks later, Manoj Mishra came back with a fresh batch of remote cars, with the flap in the remote to change batteries. Raman found it very practical and user-friendly. As promised, Manoj handed over a fat packet to Raman. Help us in designing other toys also, Ramanji. We will give you your share for sure. That day, 2 families came to the toy shop and their children loved the Khilona remote cars. Raman was very happy that his design suggestion had been implemented and the Khilona remote cars, which were lying unsold in one corner, began to be sold once again. The next toy that Raman helped Khilona design were dolls. Dolls were traditionally thought of as toys for girls, but Raman told Manoj that male dolls too have a large market. In fact, for a change, girls themselves buy male dolls. And there can be introduced a large variety in male dolls. Make them funky, give them modern clothes, manufacture them as if they are playing video games, give them baseball caps, and so many more things. Khilona experimented with male dolls and they became an instant hit. The remote cars and the male dolls were now always in demand. Either Manoj Mishra or his assistant Eknath would come and deliver the new batch. In spite of the good sales, Manoj never supplied more than 2 dozen cars and male dolls. Other toy companies would send their supplies in hundreds, but not Khilona. ये भी एक टाइप की सेल्स स्ट्रैटेजी है रमन जी. Create a demand and then under manufacture. Customers thus feel that this particular product is so much in demand that it always gets sold out. But you keep on assuring them, Ramanji, that we will not disappoint them. Raman had no idea of management strategies, But he knew that the sales registers in the shop were always abuzz, and at the end of the day, that is what mattered. Prabha, the sales girl, was on leave, so Raman was himself putting the male dolls and remote cars on the shelf, which Eknath had just delivered. On a yellow colored car, he suddenly noticed a red mark in the belly. Raman instantly recalled an incident 3 weeks back. A yellow colored car had a red mark in its belly, so the kid's father had thought that it was a defective piece. But Prabha had expertly convinced them that it was simply a mistake in coloring the toy, and it wasn't a defect at all. Raman decided to check the car thoroughly. Somehow he was not very convinced if this was a brand new car. He opened the remote of the car and was stunned to see 2 battery cells inside. The cells were of the same company that Raman's toy shop used. Quite expensive, but the store policy clearly stated that there shouldn't be any compromise with quality. Hence, best type of imported batteries were used. Raman's suspicions were raised. He decided to check all the cars and the male dolls. He found a black spot on a male doll's tee. Raman again recalled that some time back a kid had complained of a small black mark on the doll's tee. But once again, Prabha had convinced the parents that it was just a small innocent mistake. God, is Eknath buying back the company's toys and reselling them as brand new to Raman's store? Is Prabha also involved in this? Does Manoj know that his assistant is cheating him? Raman decided to check on things himself. He called up Eknath and told him that a wealthy client wanted to buy 24 remote cars of Khilona to be given as return gift on their son's birthday. But Eknath was non-committal. अरे रमन जी, आज ही तो कंसाइनमेंट दिया आपको. अभी इतना जल्दी 2 दिन में 24 हाउ विल आई ब्रिंग? प्लीज आस्क देम टू वेट अनदर 3 weeks, और एल्स दूसरी कोई कंपनी की रिमोट कार्स ऑफर कर दो ना. Raman now became very suspicious. He immediately headed towards the office of the Khilona company. When Raman entered the office, he found it a very run-down kind of a place. From the last 6 months, their remote cars and male dolls were all getting sold out. Then why such a shabby and dingy office? There was no reception, just a large workplace where nearly 20 workers were working. They were all sitting beside huge piles of various kinds of unfinished toys, stuffed animals, girl dolls, puzzles, word games, cards, and the like. But there wasn't any pile of remote cars or male dolls. Strange. There was no sign of Manoj either. Raman asked a guy sitting on a bench nearby about Manoj. मनोज? कौन मनोज मिश्रा? यहां कोई मिश्रा विश्रा नहीं है साहब. We stopped manufacturing remote cars almost 1.5 years ago, साहब. And to this date, we have never manufactured any male dolls. And we have never had any Manoj Mishra working with us. We were actually doing very well till 2 years ago, साहब. But जब से मल्होत्रा साहब की डेथ हो गई, his widow runs this unit. तब से we have not been doing very well, sir. We barely managed to sell a few toys, and that also in the small shops of the city. Raman felt as if his head will burst. What the hell was going on? Why would someone lie to him to sell a few toys? What was this fellow Manoj Mishra getting out of it? Why did he con his name, and why did he pay such a handsome amount to Raman? In this world of artificial intelligence and CCTV cameras, Ramanji, surveillance is there round the clock. And who knows this better than the criminals themselves? So, they keep on coming up with novel ideas to sell their illegal items. Now, this fellow Manoj is a very important link in the drugs cartel. He got you to design the toys and then hired two people from Khilona to make those toys. You had no idea that when you were explaining the design, they were noting places in the toys where they could stuff in the drugs. You see, Ramanji, it has become very difficult for them to sell these white pouches anywhere openly on the streets or cafes or restaurants. So they would tell their customers to go to your toy shop and either buy a Khilona remote car or a Khilona male doll. After the drugs would be extracted, the toys would be handed back to Manoj. Those two workers from Khilona would polish them, drugs would be refilled, and the toys would be supplied as a new batch to your toy shop. But they hadn't calculated that you will find it out. They knew that there could be genuine buyers of these toys too, so they would keep a few toys without the drugs. Prabha would find out which ones did not have the drugs through these belly marks on the cars or black marks on the doll tees. Arey, don't be so shocked, Ramanji. Yes, Prabha was part of them. But you are indeed a very observant and a brave citizen. Good that you came to us at the crime branch.